All right, new radio and comm gear from our strategic partners HearClear. We've been talking about the HC25. So as Bravo has been operating internationally and globally, we've been given and we've been running these radios that are 3G based, or I should say they're based on cell networks, and the advantages are massive. They're also some of the smallest and most the hardware is so small and so convenient that you no longer have to do what we call in the industry big booty radios, right? So the advantages of having a 3G radio versus the old school radios, you guys can argue about that, but I love it because I have no geographical limitations. So from start to finish, from green light, from movement team at the hotel, speaking to venue team at wherever we're going to land at, I have a continuity of radio capability. I'm talking to my guys. I'm talking to guys anywhere I want on the planet, because the way the information is sent and the way the messages are sent is a massive advantage, right? The second thing that I love about these radios is that they're so small and portable that they don't add to your overall silhouette when you're operational. The battery life is awesome. I'm able to talk with my guys all throughout the city, no matter how thick the city is, because you know with normal radios, we're in thick cities with buildings. Sometimes you can't push your signal from the top floor down to the basement, things like that. That goes away with these types of radios. So the audio clarity, the radio's capability for communication geographically, and the overall footprint of the radio is so much smaller that these radios have definitely become such a strategic advantage. On top of that, HearClear has an application that has a number of additional functions that give you advantages with all of their radio equipment. And so personally for Bravo, I want to give them a shout out. I'll make some more videos giving you guys more information. But if you have not found HearClear and looked at their radio solutions, global radio solutions, you guys are missing out. And really, honestly, you're just not in the future of this game. So check out HearClear. Their new radio system that we're running, the HC25 mini radio, is where it's at right now. And we'll see you out there in the big game. Thanks, HearClear. More to come. Protection's more than just a job. It's a lifestyle. Boom.